In this training video, we're going to cover the following basic phone functionality. Once your phone is properly connected to the network and has power, you'll need to check if it is set up correctly and confirm that your extension is assigned or logged into the phone. You can confirm that you are logged into your phone by checking to see if your name and extension number appear at the top of the screen. Your ShoreTel administrator may have already assigned your phone to you in the system, in which case your extension will be assigned automatically once the phone boots up and connects. This means that your extension may be assigned without you ever having to manually log into the phone. If you see the Cloud Credentials login box instead of your name and extension on the phone screen, however, this means that the phone is set up but that you're not logged in yet. Assign your extension to the phone by entering your 10-digit ShoreTel Connect telephone number with a 1 in front of it as the DID number, and then enter your voicemail PIN for the password. Once these are entered, press the next soft key below the phone screen to assign your extension to the phone. If you don't know your full DID telephone number or voicemail PIN, contact your phone administrator. Also, if you don't see either the Cloud Credentials login box or your name and extension on the top of the screen, it likely means that your phone is not yet configured. You'll need to contact your ShoreTel administrator for help. Placing calls from your phone can be done a number of ways. If you know someone's extension or telephone number, simply enter that number on your phone's keypad to dial and call them. For your colleagues, you can extension dial one another. As soon as you enter their extension, the phone will place the call. For external calls, enter 9 for your outbound dial digit, the number 1, and the area code plus phone number of who you're calling. After a few seconds, the call will be placed. If you don't want to wait, enter the number, then pick up the handset or press one of your phone's line, speaker, or headset buttons. The line appearance button LED will light up on any line or lines that are in use on your phone, such as when you're making, receiving, or on a call. In addition to dialing someone with the keypad, you can also place calls several other ways on your phone. Press the Directory Phone button to access your company directory, where you can look up the person you're calling. This is very helpful when you don't know the telephone number or extension of the person that you need to call. Note the search and information functionality of the soft keys while viewing the directory. These allow you to view more information about a directory listing, or switch between listing the directory by first or last name. For larger company directories such as yours, this can be very helpful. To call someone from your directory, scroll or search for their number and then press the Dial soft key. You can search for users and branch locations in your directory as well. You don't need to scroll up to the search field, as it is always active in the directory screen. Simply start typing at any time to actively search the directory, no matter what line is highlighted. To search for a branch, enter the branch number or the first few letters of the branch location's name. For instance, if you wanted to look up the Cincinnati branch in the directory but didn't know that the branch number is 051, type the numbers 2, 4, 6, as they correspond to the letters CIN on the keypad. Note that the search field only displays the numbers entered, but it will filter and search by the corresponding letters as well. So in the example on screen, 245 corresponds to BIL, so while the search field says 245, all directory entries with BIL are shown. You can also press the History Phone button to access your call history. From here, you can view all your recent incoming and outgoing calls. You can also call any phone number listed in your history by scrolling to the call and pressing the Dial soft key. When your phone receives an incoming call, the call appears on one of your phone's available lines, and the phone's soft key functions change to include Answer and 2VM, which sends the call to your voicemail box without answering. You can answer the call by lifting the handset, pressing the Answer or 2 voicemail soft keys, or by pressing one of the off-hook phone buttons, headset and speakerphone. When you use the Answer soft key to answer a call, the phone goes off-hook with either the speakerphone or headset. You can choose which of these you want as your auto off-hook default through your phone's options menu. When you route a caller to voicemail with the 2VM soft key, note that all traces of the call will disappear instantly. The soft keys return to their original state, and the line becomes available again. Your ShoreTel phone includes dedicated mid-call function keys that can be used when you are already on a live call. These buttons allow you to transfer the call to another person's phone number, place the call on hold, and conference, or place an additional call to add another person into the existing one. We're not going to spend time reviewing how to place a call on hold, as it is fairly simple. Press the hold key to put a call on hold, and then press the hold button again, or the flashing line button to pick the call back up. However, let's now look at transferring and conferencing in depth. To transfer a call, press the transfer function button while on a call. The call will go on hold, and the screen will prompt you for another user's extension or a phone number. Once you add that user's extension or external number, you will have the option to transfer or consult with the corresponding soft keys. To simply transfer the call directly to the other party, select the Transfer soft key. This will send the call directly to the recipient, and the call will no longer be on your phone. If you don't make a selection, transfer will be selected by default after several seconds. However, if you would like to consult with the person that you're transferring to before sending the call over, select the Consult soft key instead. This leaves the original call on hold and calls the new party, allowing you to speak with them first. Once you've consulted, simply press the Yes soft key to then transfer the call from your phone to the other party. Conferencing functions similarly to transfer. To conference another person into a call, press the Conference function button while on a call. The current call will go on hold, and the screen will prompt you for another user's extension or a phone number, just like transferring. Once you add another user's extension or external number, you will have the option to conference or consult with the corresponding soft keys. To simply conference the new party into the call, select the Conference soft key. This will call the number you entered, and as soon as the new party answers, they will be conferenced into the call automatically. Consulting with conference works the same as consulting with transfer. Press Consult to leave the current call on hold and dial the number you entered. Once you've consulted with the new caller, you'll have the option to conference them into the original call right from the phone screen by clicking Yes. Mid-call soft keys allow you to interact with a live call in specific ways that are displayed on screen. Soft key options available while on a call include parking your call on someone else's extension, merging multiple active calls together, or hanging up the call. Hang up simply ends the call, the same as if you hung up the handset. Merge allows you to merge or combine two or more calls into a single conference call. The Merge soft key becomes available when you have one active call and one or more calls on hold, or at least two calls on hold. To merge two calls into one, simply press the Merge soft key. This will automatically conference the two calls together. If you ever need to see the individual callers in a merged or conferenced call, push the Show soft key to see everyone listed out. Note that if you have calls on more than two lines, you'll need to merge the calls two at a time, as seen here. Park allows you to take a call currently on your phone and park it on another person's phone so that they can pick it up. It is essentially placing your call on hold, but on another person's phone. To park a call, push the Park soft key. Enter another user's extension when prompted. You cannot enter an external number for park functionality. Push Park again to confirm, or simply wait several seconds. The call will then leave your phone and appear on hold on the other user's phone. Unpark is a soft key function that is only available when you are not currently on a call. It allows you to retrieve a call that is currently either parked or on hold on another user's phone to your phone. Again, Unpark allows you to transfer and answer either a call that's been parked on another person's phone or a call that that person has put on hold. To unpark a parked or held call, push the Unpark soft key. Enter the extension of a user with a parked or held call on their phone. Push Unpark again to confirm, or wait several seconds. The call will then leave the other user's phone and transfer to your phone. Note that when you unpark a parked or held call, not only will the call transfer to your phone from the other phone, but it will automatically be answered on your phone as well as soon as the transfer completes. Pickup is another soft key function that is only available when you're not currently on a call. It allows you to answer on your phone an incoming call that's currently ringing to another user's phone. Pickup can be used two different ways. First, you can answer an incoming call ringing an individual user's phone if you know their extension. Second, you can use Pickup to answer a call ringing on the phone of a member of the same pickup group as you. The second scenario is most commonly used in a bullpen environment, where you may hear a phone ringing but don't know whose individual phone it is. To answer either an incoming call to a specific user or another member of your shared pickup group, first, press the Pickup soft key. If you're answering an incoming call ringing on a specific user's phone, enter that user's extension. Push Pickup again to confirm or wait several seconds. The call will then stop ringing the other user's phone and be answered on your phone instead. If instead you need to pick up a call ringing to a member of your pickup group, enter the extension of the pickup group rather than an individual's extension. The call will then stop ringing the other user's phone and will be answered on your phone instead. Note that if multiple calls are coming in to pickup group members, the first incoming call is automatically answered when picking up a call from a pickup group. If you don't know the extension of your assigned pickup group, contact your phone system administrator. That concludes this end user training. Thanks for watching.